for since FBI for ba Ghana ebeche eye Shatawale best friend aye friend no eye Kofi boat no Ghana ase emu achemienu Oma no munya bi etafrifi Kofi boat ho no omo ye Sergio Ramos adwuma ana wo mo so omo chiri scammers ana so mo chiri fraudsters e wo Ghana no omo so akasa ana omo so ekasa bebre na ene de amene wo kasa eye Bulldog akọ UTV edi nsem bi akọ todwa efa eye Kofi boat ne chia FBI for aba Ghana ba chino no ho na di asem no kan ya enam so Ghana for ka chere say no Bulldog we a hypocrite too much we a hypocrite when some na wo kan 0 cents according to Ghana for them say 0 cents nya saba kokora enim na me fan come straight into a year and some Bulldog e de to jamiwi na me do akon some Ghana for so be eka e de chere no according to Bulldog was it wonim the entire Ghana for binom ebim fombo eye binom de too much sa was it ana Kofi boat asemi ba ana we sisi was it eye emra no na be chere say ampase Kofi boat no odi for ana so wondi for was it she wo de hwade was it Kofi boat even if say Kofi boat akwa kodi bone ni ese ba be chene kra odo ne quarter ye kodi na asem no ya fa plane either they be fa na akwa US and the free Ghana has ye kwa kodi na asem e wo US aya wo kojo bonsu aya me aya shine ameti aya minu mienu ana nke konya asem a na nka makola chire ha ya court baby ana nke be kwa court na di asem no eno na Bulldog ka che se obu okra no pempo osole wonya bibi ndi na so according to Bulldog no enipa atwe na no abia so te se de mate ha make say te se de me sole mpo mi ndi ya make na ase me kana asemi so nipa ya twena no abia so na Kofi boat aye say ene de no mo rejoice no mani age wase mo mpa bibi ndi na mo nja isemo de Kofi boat asem no eye twea no ye nko tie nsem a Bulldog eka ye wi a ye be ko nsem a Ghana fo so eka de kire eye Bulldog efa eye Kofi boat arrest FBI for wa be ye no.
I think say yen aye o aye nim de ekoso you know my concern really is about the substance of the case. Sana me huno. I mean, so I think that early this week now, me to say, interdicting Kofi. Inti obi to say Kofi boat madam for power.
Okay.
Yes. So yesterday I think I was in court. Today is Saturday, right?
Yeah,
I was at the court myself.
Okay, who call here in Ibi?
Yes, you know, I want to support because or mini papa, you know. So now my concern is about the substance of the case.
Okay.
And I'm because my sister Kano Obia patches okay, my bad name ni Sanyomano. Yes, I know but with time a dino depending on the outcome of the case no ebe to me AYP if you ho I mean the Kofi boat I know not yet, you know, so I can only say that from where I sit.
Okay.
Now I'm also I sit here as an example of somebody that have been accused of something before.
Okay.
And time vindicated me. So me can say in Kofona me fan say ayo mude and I say ebia bimuswa omaye disappointed say sa nyoma na esi no. And I think they should give themselves time because time will vindicate the people that didn't do anything and also would stamp into reality in Kofoma BBI, you know. So I mean, I think the noise is all over the place in Kofo. I don't know, again, Mrs. Taka, I don't know why we are happy and when people are in some sort of a problem, you know. It's sad. It tells you how sad we are in this country as a people. Obi nam na obi bomba is assembling tunu. Oh, inti so na baby cry na assemble to na nkofa no World Cup na omo yes omuniachi. You understand? It's a very sad place that we are into omuntu omobu me make us say strength to Kofi Boat and the wife and in the family. You know, everybody was there on that day. His friends, he had a lot of people to support. And now
okay, so my just few minutes, can you give us what really happened at the court?
There be mean to me,
because there's a report of what transpired.
Report of kind of me update. Na me nyemi na me be kind to kind. Me to make a just say the kind no. Yampa and I say yampa, but me reporter. So summarize it.
Okay.
Because me name say I say more quarter. You know, because there's a reason why they went to that court. I think it's a magistrate or a district court.
You see, the problem is not with reporting what happened in court.
Okay, so what exactly do you want?
It's making judgmental statements.
I know.
Of a case that is pending.
I know.
It's, you know, what the name be say what happened.
Okay, so I'm saying
pass a judgment on the case.
I can't. I can't. I'm just saying, say, they were there for a specific reason. It's a magistrate or a district court, I'm sure.
Yeah, I almost say basic or something.
Yes, basic court. Yeah. Katawantuichi. Yeah. Usually, Senate Assembly, apparently, the right court to allow the extradition.
Yeah.
And High Court and Supreme Court. So, I think, say, a whole no court. So, say, any lawyers, Kofi lawyers by, I think the other two parties will be our lawyers by, and they argued.
The other two parties in the government side and
what I mean is, they say, okay, so there are 3 people in the booth, Kofi and 2 others. I don't know.
Oh, okay, the other people that
then the state. The state is the state prosecutor.
Okay.
Omu facilitate extradition. You know, so by Kofi and the lawyers, so by and other individuals, there are about 3. You know, so they argued the case out and made points the reason why that cannot be done.
Okay, that he cannot be extradited
at this specific moment, or whether he can be extradited at all.
Okay.
What I said, they make their arguments, and I'm sure that the judge heard what they said, and I think she adjourned the case to I think 1st July. I've been wondering, say 1st July, say a holiday.
It's a prayer. National prayer day,
okay.
But I do not think so.
Declared no holiday. Okay. So that's what really transpired. But I mean, the lawyers of Kofi Boat did amazing because the arguments were solid. You know. So I think we're hoping for the best. The mechanism. So the people that are out there are almost. Yeah, they are excited about. I don't know what they are excited about. And even if Kofi Boat is extradited to the United States, it's not like he's guilty. There are charges.
So innocent until
exactly. So these are just charges. You know, say bibini kra no call court. Maybe I will call Makola court. What I say, over ko 10-4 no ni level no be call no akwa kanasem. Until you be kanasem maybe Rebecca say or you're guilty and also on you're guilty. I don't know what your problem is. And even if he's found guilty or not guilty, I think it's none of your concern. Anybody who's really excited about the situation. I mean, sometimes I just don't understand. You don't find us in Baufie, we soon find what's in Konifie.
So the gloating.
Mentioning names of
people they think should be prosecuted.
Yeah, you know, it's sad. You know, just by sitting here, crowd beat me, Nibufu. Well, for nothing, won't hear she. Maybe I also have no playground. Uncle Pardon won't hear Yaba Sana, Yakwako, that not Nibu for nothing. Into all two on our bomb pie say, Yembechu. I don't understand what the situation is. So,
okay,
you know, and I'm hoping say we all get out of this because, like my sister said, generally, if it's a Ghanaian name,
it's bad for all of us.
Yes, so we will need to clear the and these things it happens everywhere in the world. But
is it?
If you realize something about the video that you just watched now, and I said, "What's in here?" Who say, "I said Bulldog Kasano, but but the Bulldog that you and I know him say Bulldog and you say no Kasa. I'm not for so much. Say no. Say I didn't favor, and I say Ninipa and our Kasa Kofi Boat and I down for them. Sasa wo bang Bulldog dia or the way o sikasa because you learn him the way a Bulldog sikasa. Lanka if say you before Frank and himself na Bulldog according to some Ghana for no be air can. But me from comment section will be say na he go talk. Was on the Kwan worker. So what this guy they teach his children at home? Busasa a Bulldogi and to dear pan watch and ma will feel like Bulldog a dear pan and a ma or move, you know, a dear the pan watch it will feel. Obviously, Bulldog is a fool for what he's saying. Who said if he is found guilty, it doesn't affect anyone? Do you know the bad names they give to us as Ghanaians? If it was about someone else, Nka, he will be there ranting like a mad dog. Nyame pe ene no kwafo. Was it share asema Bulldog jina ho waka say if he is found guilty it won't give any bad name to Ghanaians no wase no kure bi anim. What dey for Nigeria for an example. She said because Nigeria scam too much intino I say o ma bane and our countries bebre abane Nigeria for some omo kromu biem. Enti no say we talk so na ekoso wan hwe ya there are some countries bi wo ho a omo magana for kra ma obiem because omo nim say ye frosters nko a enti no with this information if say omo find it out say Kofi boat guilty ebema a bad name pa was it say Bulldog na ke obi foforo ana nka nya ni pa wo ben Bulldog ya anka say the Bulldog be sia baki kemu no enya asem keto but on say obi oben ne de wonya abotre na wo yi asem no 111 ero kire wo say nyame pe ere no kwafo enti se wasem na obi ka bia na se obi so atwe no say nipa no oben no because nipa no oben enti no ana Bulldog that you obi a anka Bulldog men na yenye nim say the Bulldog esi ekasa yento ase was you have every right to talk about Chema to me when he was arrested from Fuller Hypocrite. Was it what now what right bia say woka Chema to me asem Chema to me ba ebra ye che no what na say e kan ho asem na eduru wadam fo so ya che na obi e ka bi dia obegina ha e be ye na tobe say den was it because you guys are on the street and connected to these guys, you are afraid to criticize him. What business are these guys doing to own these properties? Was it because I want to na the street in this move chibo muntino? Now somebody on say untiminka. A dear Juma party na a year Kofi boat yeah. When yes, can be a business when you know this is the humble question. You have fear not to able to obviously bring new people to your show, not this hypocrite. He doesn't want to accept the truth because he benefited from them, so he will support them. Same thing kakano. Enam sab unya no nya bibi kakra etafile every hunting. From the beginning, he said, "Sir, Kofi boat ye ni papa." And they are definitely kakra bi be fan the tekre masse kakra ntina nuntina. Abranti echem say Bulldog so support Kofi boat no. Obi say Bulldog is a hypocrite. Just because he's his friend. People shouldn't have a say. Would he have said the same thing if it is an MPP member or a former appointee? Was this Sankadi way nanka MPP member be anaka kwa yes adi way ya nanka Bulldog go back kem boom say boom say jatano but enam say enipa wo be wunti hwe how cool was say nyam to boase a wo yi nsam to 111. This shows how hypocrite you are according to Ghana for no be amon sama mode to Ghana arafo nsama Bulldog kan adefa Kofi boat Arrɛst FBI for baba ye minim say wadwen kire bebre say Ghana for no be criticizing no ne nsama wo kan no also kire wadwen the comment section ma me di ni simo di shine and then on face that on the channel you so about subscribe and like video no let's share my for so nya bi hwe be share in the next video.